I'm over here in Lauderdale at fixmyheadlights.com. The headlights on this car, it's a IS Lexus, a beautiful car. The owner found that it was looking terrible, the headlights. It's starting to get faded out and a little foggy here. So we're gonna get this looking like new again. And let's get the other side. This side is a little worse. As you can see, the scarring right here. All this is going to come off. Now this is a 06. So if your headlights are looking anything like that, fixmyheadlights.com, as you're going to see, is going to make this car looking like the headlights looking like new again. We're gonna have Denise is gonna give us her input on what she thinks about fixmyheadlights.com and the job of fixing her Lexus. Hey Denise.
I am really extremely happy on how my headlights turn out. I actually thought I was gonna have to purchase some from the dealership, but this really saved me money and I'm extremely happy. Thank you.
Thank you.